Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
For the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Maybe. Did you hear my friend Lanny call your name earlier today?
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Prize when they get their presents! Lonnie!
Son?
Lightning McQueen.
And break
¡Ya es suficiente! ¡Y fuera! Order in the court!
Seems like my mind has been...
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
Man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
What? Did I forget to wipe my mud flaps?
This hill isn't too steep for me. I shall steam over it.
So,
What are you? I can't steer. Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left. That doesn't make any sense. Turn right to go left.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got dirt in my ribs.
Great today. And no matter what happens, I'm going to move on to the next rookie and forget I have...
Right there, in the hood, right there.
Don't worry, Mama. The queen is very sad. I will...
Why do you know his name? Don't say it like that. It's 3 syllables, not 10. What?
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
Hey, McQueen. That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it. Because I didn't do it!
You cannot defeat me! Cannot!
Got him in the back alleys east of the garages. Multiple assailants are closing in quickly.
Keep it moving. I'm on.
You were in a demolition derby.
Yeah, it was terrible.
Sure? Because there's not a scratch on.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look.
The difference between you and Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself.
Found out who the world's fastest car is. Plus, no press, no trophy, just racing. The way I like.
Wait, who was that?
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
I'm not the one who activated it. Would anyone else like to try? You read my mind.
He was